When it comes to deep down cleaning, not all washing machines are up to the job. So it's good to know that Hygiene Steam on your Samsung washing machine banishes the things you can see and those you can't: bacteria, pollen, dust mites and more. The steam is released upwards to make sure every last item gets a deep and even clean. The results? 99.9% of bacteria are obliterated and allergens inactivated. No pre-soaking, no hassle, no worries. Features a Digital Inverter Technology. Happy laundry days. Here's a quiet washing machine that's built to last, has all the power you need, cuts down noise, and still uses less energy than a typical washing machine, so it's kinder on your wallet too. It's all thanks to our Digital Inverter Technology ramping up the performance, not the noise. And the added bonus? The components and engineering are backed by a 10-year warranty, giving you peace of mind for years to come. Stay clean drawer. Keep your detergent flowing freely through your washing machine and get cleaner clothes with the Stay Clean drawer. Targeted jets of water rinse away buildup in the drawer so you don't have to. And because it keeps your washing machine in great shape, your clothes get thoroughly and hygienically cleaned every time.